Pagpapunta sa inyo, pag naulan, ilang beses na kaming dito. Inabutan ng ulan. Ang bihira! Grabe ang ulan! Oo, sana ito. Grabe. Nakamiss dito. Lamang na tayo. Alam ba, parang dito yung sa party nito na yung cake ni
Hindi mo dala. Yung cake, o tingnan mo tol.
Kaya nga eh.
Anong ginawa mo sa cake?
Yung Mabawas ka naman!
Tawa ka naman, tadili ka naman.
Maghawak nito! Ano ba yung mga vlog mo natin dito? Vlog natin dito?
Siyempre.
Bakit?
Parati kayong nag-i-intro dyan nila, Kuya Rby.
Saan? Diyan lagi kami nag-intro. Tapos meron pa akong mga kasabay dito, Sino? Sila si Arjun. Si Kuya Tata.
Pogi talaga ni Papa Joms. Kasi mga kasama mo. Ay, grabe. Oy! Nagre-ready pa yung isa, oh. Ayan, so andito si Papa Joms. Kumusta Papa Joms?
Ayos lang po.
Ha?
Long time no see. Medyo
Long time no
matagal-tagal
see. Oo. Kumusta naman? Ano yung nararamdaman mo ngayon? Muli magkikita kayo ni Carla.
Ayun, nakakamiss naman. Kasi ngayon na lang ulit after ilang days. Nakakamiss yung si Carla.
Grabe.
Tsaka yung nagpaulan tayo, di ba? Yung kasama natin sila mama paakyat dito.
Oo. Uy, ganda lang kayo. Baka tawag yan.
Ginawa nating payong yung
Daw ng saging. Kaya nga eh. Nainis ako pero ngayon parang na-appreciate kong ulan. Nakuulan. You're on the right time. Huwag ka nalayo sa akin. Mababasa pag lumayo ka. Init lang. Dikit pa. Dikit pa. Ulan pa please. Daka man lang to. Kagustuhan ko rin lang naman. Kasi nga, gusto kita. Ilan beses din ditong yung cake, lalo na yung cake.
Hindi mo dala. Yung cake, o tingnan mo tol.
Kaya nga eh.
Anong ginawa mo sa cake?
Yung una. Minsan si Arjun ang nakakabitaw ng cake. Minsan nga din si Kuya Rabo nabitawan yung cake kasi sobrang sobrang dulas kasi dito lalo lang naulan.
Best dad.
The best dad. Uy! Ay mo! Yung bira!
Ikaw na ako, tol. Ikaw na ako, tol.
Pero paano naramdam cake?
Para happy birthday kay Amber o para sa ito.
Yung bira! Parang lahat ng ticket na. Ayos pa naman.
Mas madala pa rin yung kay Arjun.
Wow! Grabe! Namiss ko rin itong view na to, oh. Kitang-kita yung dagat. Grabe. Parang ang bilis ng panahon, Ngayon,
Dami nang nangyari.
dami nang nangyari.
Fading screens, you were quiet in between. Not a word, not even sound. But somehow I still turn around. No spotlight, you stay low. But I felt something start to grow. Through the stillness, through the air. Like a whisper saying, I'm right there behind the crowd, behind the light. You stayed until the end of the night. Felt your silence like a thread. Pulled me in but nothing said. You were there, I know you were. In the hush it all occurred. Behind felt unsaid, but still it echoed in my head. They were laughing, making noise. I was lost but knew your voice. Not in words but in the way to even stay. You don't need to make a move. Your silence was its own kind of truth. It hit me softer than a line, but lingered deeper every time. Behind the crowd, behind the light, you stayed until the end of night. Felt your silence like a thread, pulled me in but nothing said. You were there, I know you were. In the hush it all occurred, behind felt unsaid. And now it's ringing in my head. Maybe someday I'll look back and laugh at all I didn't ask. But right now all I've got instead are things behind felt and unsaid. Behind the crowd, behind the light, you stayed until the end of night. Felt your silence like a thread, pulled me in but nothing said. Still I wonder, still I burn.